Today I'm going to teach you how to create a Gmail alias in Google Workspace. This is incredibly useful if you want multiple email addresses that all route to the same inbox, whether for different departments, projects, or professional identities. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to google.com. In the search bar, type Google Admin Console and click on the first official link that appears. This will take you directly to admin.google.com, which is the central hub for managing your Google Workspace settings. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in using your Google Workspace admin account. Make sure you're using an account with administrative privileges, as standard user accounts won't have access to these settings. After signing in, you'll see the Admin Console dashboard. Look at the left side menu and click on Directory. This section gives you access to all the users and organizational units in your workspace. From the directory menu, click on Users to view the complete list of everyone in your organization. This is where you'll manage individual user settings and configurations. Now, locate and click on the name of the user you want to create an alias for. This could be your own account or any other user you're managing. Clicking their name will open their detailed user profile where you can modify various account settings. Once you're viewing their profile, look for the section labeled User Information or Account, depending on your workspace version, and click on it. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Email Aliases. This is where all existing aliases are displayed and where you can add new ones. Click on Add Alternate Email or Add Alias depending on what your interface shows. A field will appear where you can type your desired email alias. For example, if you want to create tips@yourdomain.com, simply type tips in the field. The domain will automatically match your workspace domain. Finally, click Save to confirm and activate the alias. The new alias is now live and will route all incoming messages directly to the main inbox. This means any emails sent to your alias will appear alongside your regular emails, making it easy to manage multiple identities from one place. And that's it. You've successfully created a Gmail alias in Google Workspace. This simple feature can streamline your communication and help you organize emails more effectively. Thanks for watching.